Perform a thoracotomy to expose the left ventricular apex and place pledgeted purse-string sutures around the desirable access site at or close to the left ventricular apex. Puncture the access site with 18-gauge Seldinger-type needle and introduce an 0.35-inch J-tip guide wire into the left ventricle and past the native aortic valve. Advance the balloon catheter through a balloon valvuloplasty introducer sheath and into the native valve. Start rapid pacing, and following an adequate drop in blood pressure and pulse pressure, inflate the balloon. Once the balloon is fully inflated, deflate balloon, stop rapid pacing, and withdraw the balloon catheter. Insert the delivery system over the guide wire into the left ventricle and advance it to position the loaded bioprosthesis just above the native valve. Using fluoroscopy, rotate the hand grip to align the bioprosthesis commissure posts with the native commissures. Withdraw the pigtail catheter. Taking care not to depress the green commissure post release button, turn the blue support arm release knob clockwise until it stops to release the support arms. Stabilizing the introducer tube, gently pull delivery system to seat the support arms into the native leaflet bellies and confirm positioning using angiography. After the desired support arm position is achieved, depress and hold down the green commissure post release button and turn the blue support arm release knob clockwise until it stops. This will fully release the commissure posts from the retainer sleeve. Perform rapid pacing and deploy the bioprosthesis by turning the black deployment knob clockwise while pulling the delivery system gently to exert slight backward pressure against the native valve. Turn the black turn knob until it reaches the stop. Withdraw the delivery system, taking care to mate the distal sleeve with the introducer before withdrawing through the apex. Close the apex and confirm valve operation.